let us search this.
Aba!
What's this? Oval. What's the color of the oval?
Boy!
Boy, what color, boy? What color ay tulala? Magiguto man dili ka, boy. Oh, grabe, raise paghan. Raise paghan lagi. Clap your hands, oh, clap. Clap.
Okay.
Boy,
what
ka na,
shape
boy.
is
Ka, boy.
this?
Very good, boy. Yun lang ang alam mo kagad.
Star. What is the color of the star? Violet.
Wah, grabe.
Rainbow. Violet.
Loy.
The star is
3 times 4 equals
purple or violet.
Ito yung mga monitor, supervisor. Ito yung assistant sa supervisor. Nagkapakain.
Wala na eh. Hindi na ko alam eh.
Ito yung gwardya. Gwardya. Ito yung registrar's office. Tawag mo ka.
HR.
HR.
Okay, sir. Enroll na yung mong anak.
Uba! Enroll lang. Di, ito yung god. Dito to.
Principal suspect yan.
Uy.
Ay, do Tagalog.
Okay.
Just
What picture is this?
What are you doing?
Sir, makinig.
Yan, English. Yan, mami. English.
Lagi
English yan.
What's this?
Boy, what's that?
The tree starts with letter.
Takot sila sa tita.
What letter is this?
Wow! Si
Ay,
Loy!
grabe! First honor! First honor! First honor! Anak sa gwardya. Anak sa gwardya. Gwardya sa eskwelahan.
Nice, Pam!
First honor.
Okay. What is this?
Yan!
One, two, boy! Very good. Ikaw ba yun, boy? Ikaw yun, boy?
What's this?
Ah, si Lois pala. Akala ko yun.
Demotion siya.
Umbrella.
Ako, palagi naman eh.
Umbrella starts with letter.
Palagi naman si Kadimusin
What
to
letter
boy
is
eh.
this? Ano offense?
Kuya ako, yung anak niya, offense. You! Grabe.
Ang sungit yung saya.
President.
Okay. What is this?
Nag-absorb yan.
Violet. What's this? Yung sa nakabunin mo.
Nag-aaral yan basta.
What letter is this?
Hirapan.
Violet.
Kailangan resist daw, sir.
Violet starts with
Kami ni
letter.
Saya, sorry ha. It's my
What letter is this?
Hindi ako
What letter?
Kanina.
What letter is violet? It starts with?
Very good! Scholar.
What letter is this?
Scholar.
What letter?
Si Juboy, Juboy.
Starts with?
What letter is that?
What letter? What letter?
Answer ka, answer.
V.
Ka, boy!
What is this? Okay, sit down. Mapalap si Pastor. Sit